I'm Dr. Jekin from Kanyakumari. I got a score of 661 out of 800 in this recent NEET PG 2021, and which predicts a rank of all India rank of about 200. So I'm super excited right now to be sharing this moment with Speed Medical Institute, who played a major role. I think they laid the foundation for me. So I'm super glad to be sharing this moment with them. So to say about my journey, I think I did my MBBS in Pondicherry Institute of Medical Sciences, which is an amazing college with a lot of amazing faculties who kept inspiring us, and everything was going great. I was in my third year, and but I didn't have any idea about the whole NEET thing. So that's when I thought I'll join a regular course. So I chose Speed Medical Institute. So I joined as a regular batch student in Speed when I was in my third year. So it was all weekend direct classroom course. So every weekend we used to go there, and since it was only in the weekend, so it didn't interfere with my college much. So and it was in the morning till evening. So it was a pretty long hours, but we had adequate breaks, and the place was pretty comfortable, and the class was also very interesting. So it wasn't tiring at all. It was nice to be a part of Speed, and they have this amazing faculty team who took care of us, who kept guiding us the whole time. So it didn't. I had no idea when I about NEET when I got into that. So, but they kept guiding us. They had this whole thing scheduled out over months. So we knew what we were going to do in the consecutive months. So it was all planned out. It was all nice. All we had to do was take notes out of those classes, so which I did, and I still have those notes, and they are really short and crisp. So if I want to revise any subject in say 2 3 hours, I'll still go back to Speed notes, and they're amazing. Especially Dr. Vinayak sir's surgery classes. I still remember those. I love his classes because he doesn't use all these fancy atlas images which are very confusing and all. He still hand draws them and explains them beautifully, which stays with us longer. And then since I'm also pursuing surgery, I'm gonna pursue surgery as my PG. I was very passionate about his class. I still remember a lot of his classes, like salivary glands, and there was this one topic of rectal malformations, which he used an analogy of Akshay Patram to explain that. So yeah, even now when I read those topics, I that's what comes to my mind first. So that shows the kind of faculty he is. It creates that impact. And one thing I love is more than the subject as such, he was very focused on setting the right mindset to the aspirants. He always talks about that winning attitude, that winning mindset. Even in between classes, throughout the journey, he made sure we were in the right mindset. I still remember once he even told us the day before exam you're supposed to go out, get a sweet for yourself, and even before going for the exam you're supposed to treat yourself with a sweet. That's a very small thing, but that shows the kind of mindset he was trying to instill in the students. So I think in that way they stood really apart from most other coaching institutes right now. So I love that. We had I think we had weekly test series. We had every week we used to solve. There'll be 100 MCQ tests, and we used to solve that right in the class and then discuss those questions in the class itself. So classroom courses has its own perks, definitely, because it was all direct interactive sessions. It was not like someone's projecting your classes on screen. It was direct interactive classes for us. So we had a chance to directly interact with the faculties, which were amazing. So I went with my friend Dr. Manoj, who also scored a mark of 600 out of 800 this time, and we've been studying throughout together, and we still talk about how Speed Medical Institute has laid the foundation for us. Um, uh, it's been an amazing journey. Even I want to mention one more faculty. I don't think he's associated with Speed right now, but I remember Dr. Meenakshi Sundaram sir. He taught us microbiology, and I was pretty bad at microbiology before that, but I thought that was a very dry subject to learn. But he made it so dramatic. He taught that so well. He used to walk around the classes. He used to create an impression of as if an organism is releasing an enzyme and it's going and hitting and it's blasting. So it's kind of dramatic. So that kind of pulled us into that whole world of microbiology. I think that kind of faculties are needed, to keep when we're sitting there for long hours. We need such kind of faculties. And also, I think one thing about speed is they also took care of our schedule as a whole, including our sleep cycle, including our how to deal with our stress. So you just can't expect students to deal, you just can't bombard them with facts and expect them to deal with all the facts themselves, stress themselves. You need to be guiding themselves. So overall, it was a really good experience with speed. And I'm so excited. I'm so glad to be sharing these memories right now. I want to thank Speed, the whole team, uh, for giving me this opportunity to share my memories from Speed. Uh, it's been an amazing journey. I want to thank the whole team. I want to thank Srinivas Anna, who was the glue who held us all together in Pondicherry. He was so friendly. He took care of everything for us. He's still in contact with us. He's really friendly. So that's the kind of environment they try to create, and that's why I'm really happy to be sharing this story with Speed. And thank you so much for being a part of my journey. Thank you so much for inspiring. So when I went for this Speed Coaching Institute, it was all direct classes for me, which was good then. But now, since the trend is changing so much, it's all online now. We've come up with a new speed learning app. So that's amazing. I just saw that, and it's an amazing tool. You can access all the 19 subjects videos. The entire recorded videos are there, and also a few of the live classes. The schedule, everything is put up, and they have an amazing Q bank. They have an amazing test series, GTs, everything. You can access everything through basically everything through the app. Even your classroom notes, a part of the classroom notes are also being uploaded. And I think now since the trend is changing, I think this is really needed. And thank you, Speed, for coming up with this, and I wish all success for the upcoming years. Thank you.
Best training, peaceful environment, PG medical entrance exam preparation were my expectations. I got them at Speed Medical Village in Kanchipuram. Today, I am a PG topper.
Speed Medical Village, a unique eco-friendly campus dedicated for PG preparation. Speed Medical Institute, a complete solution for medical education.